Welcome to the Dissect, the space where we break down issues beyond the headlines. I am Esther. Today's conversation is inspired by a thought-provoking piece written by KAA on Facebook, a writer, KAA Truth's podcast host, strategist, and nonconformist whose words capture the frustration many Nigerians quietly carry every day. Sometimes Nigeria feels like a country constantly arguing with itself, a nation where policies speak one language but reality speaks another. We say we want to end open defecation, but public toilets are almost non-existent. We say we are fighting crime, but millions are trapped in poverty, unemployment, and desperation. And as lawyer and activist Dele Farotimi referenced through a Yoruba saying, rationality ends where hunger begins. We say we want an educated population, but millions of children remain out of school. And even those inside classrooms often learn with outdated materials in underfunded schools, while university students have normalized strikes so much that academic disruption now feels routine. We say we want foreign investors, but electricity is unstable, roads are failing, our ports are frustrating, and our policies shift unpredictably. We say we are fighting corruption, yet many Nigerians still question whether accountability is truly consistent. We say we want a healthy nation, but hospitals struggle with poor infrastructure, limited equipment, and inadequate staffing. And so many of Nigeria's best doctors leave for countries that offer better systems and opportunities. We say we respect human rights, but many citizens still describe encounters with security agencies with fear rather than reassurance. We say we want national unity, but ethnicity and religion often become political tools during elections. We say we support made in Nigeria goods, yet many public officials depend heavily on foreign products, foreign healthcare, and foreign education. And perhaps nowhere is the contradiction louder than in the issue of brain drain. We say we want young Nigerians to stay, but for many youths, remaining in the country increasingly feels less like patriotism and more like endurance. Now, this is not to say Nigeria lacks potential, far from it. The country remains filled with resilient, creative, hardworking people surviving despite enormous pressure. But resilience should not become a substitute for governance, because nations do not transform through slogans alone. They transform when systems begin to reflect the promises leaders make. To my dear listeners, perhaps Nigeria's greatest contradiction is this. The country often knows exactly what its problems are, yet continues reproducing them. And until policy genuinely aligns with reality, many Nigerians may continue to feel like they're surviving inside a nation permanently negotiating with itself. I am Esther, and that was the Dissect.